Instructions for using the Helpdesk site script. Follow these step-by-step instructions to understand how your Helpdesk site functions and how to manage its features effectively. Tickets menu. Manage support tickets submitted by members. You can view, reply to, or delete tickets as needed. General settings. Configure the core settings of your program, including system behavior and preferences. Manage emails. Customize predefined email templates such as the confirmation email, welcome email, and other notifications. Email users. Use this section to send updates or announcements to your registered members via email. Message history. Review all the messages you have sent to users in the past for reference or auditing purposes. Manage staff. Add new staff members to specific departments, assign roles, or remove existing staff from the system. Manage users. View, edit, or delete member records and manage user accounts with ease. Manage departments. Create new departments or remove existing ones to organize your support structure efficiently. Manage roles. Define role-based access for both staff and users, specifying what features and sections they can access. Log out. Thanks for watching this video.